And you stop remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backwards and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times.
This is Spaceship Rocket.
During your
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from. Well, you've got your time travel with you. Now locate the monitor over to the right. Make sure the space is clearly distributed and wait for the flash. All systems are go. Breaking you now into your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our planet has sailed through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers. Where do we go? And what kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we live in. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here in these hostile worlds we're studying to survive until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can have teamwork and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next writer, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds cat is inventing papyrus, a Sunday paper. Papyrus in turn creates several record keeping, and unfortunately taxation. But also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who praise the writing, have Phoenician. They create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to this language. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABC? That's the Phoenicians. They invented it.
There are different areas. I've done it in Japanese.
And the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or soon. It turns out there are copies of something in the library everyone knows. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance.
Now we're at the top.
Your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. Travelers should bear in mind that time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are rotating backward for your return to Earth.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Your green will have its own water recycling system. The walls Your team is always available for brainstorming. We can allow you to sacrifice your comfort. Your living room can be an actual bonding room with real grass providing a natural our board meetings and peace and the masks are never far away. Thanks to digital displays that can create the environment you prefer. Keep an eye on your projects with these screens. You can live a good life and great life in your home in the country. Because in the future, every day is good tomorrow. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
I like that I'm riding with you because Brittany thinks the same thing every.
While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do,
So I've never seen that one.
I do know it was quite an adventure.
Brittany.